Lights on, camera, action. కాశ్మీర మూవీలో కార్తీక్ ఒక డిఫరెంట్ గెటప్ను క్రియేట్ చేశారు. దానికి మంచి ప్రశంసలు కూడా వచ్చాయి. అందులో మొండెం నుంచి తలను కూడా సపరేట్ చేస్తూ ఓ సీన్ ఉంది. అలాగే ఇటీవల వి సినిమాలో కూడా తలను సపరేట్ చేసే సీన్ ఉంది. అసలు ఆ తలను ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో కాస్త వివరంగా చెప్తారా?
में कार्तिक का ऐसे 2 हेड बनाया था मैं। एक एक वो था कि जिसमें वो सारे कट्स वगैरह जो क्रैक्ड ऐसा था, फेस क्रैक्ड ऐसे था, और दूसरा एक नॉर्मल हेड था। तो वो बनाने के लिए 15 डेज लगता था, क्योंकि हेयर्स वगैरह फिक्स करना है, उसमें बियर्ड हेयर्स वगैरह फिक्स करना है। सो 15 डेज लगता है। इट्स in a hurry you can like just reduce the time and all, but normally it like 10-15 days.
उसका पहले प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस से वो मास्क लेते हैं?
No, we use silicone only. Plaster of Paris में details कम रहता है, so to get that exact face details we use this thing only, silicone. And silicone, once you take we are taking actors mold, then to save the time, once you get the mold of an actor, then it's always you can keep it. If you are taking in silicone, you can keep it for the whole time. So वो durable है, वो खराब नहीं होता है. So once you get a chance, because they have to sit for 2 hours. So once you get a chance, I prefer to take measurement in silicone only, so that you can preserve it. In future, if they want anything, so we have this thing, we have this mold and we can create it. They don't have to sit again. So
how many hours it will take to grasp
to take a head measurement, head cast, we take like maximum 2 hours, maximum. Like even we can finish it in 1.5 hour, maximum 2 hours. The only thing is 2 hours we have to sit there. And even we can do it in part also, so that if any but it's like it's a very nice experience actually, because we mix the silicone, which is skin safe, and it's a liquid form, so just apply on the face, and we just harden that thing because it's flexible, and just remove it. It will be 2 parts, so the front and the back we remove it, and then we joined it. So 1.5 hour maximum.
Breathing
Yeah, no problem with that. The only thing is you have to trust the person who is taking the head cast, because we will be leaving the nostril only. The nostril will be open, so all over the area is covered. The only thing is you should trust that person, because we'll take care of that. Like it will not go inside, because you are sitting like this, no? So it's a dropping thing, it's like liquid, so it will come down only, no? It will not go up, so nothing to worry about that. And it's skin safe also. 2 hours, like what I do is like, I make very comfortable the actors. You can sit like this, or with a comfortable chair you can sleep, or you can listen music, or you can do something. Then the thing is, once it's set, it will set in 20 minutes. The first layer will set in 20 minutes. So at that time, it's like you should not move like that. But after that, it's okay, because once it gets set, so the only thing is you'll not be able to talk for 2 hours, because it's all thing is covered, Yeah.